Hey, what's cooking, Jay?
Hello everyone, great you could join us again today at Gunter's Kitchen. Today we're making one of the essential required things in the kitchen if you make something sweet. It's sweet pastry. Doesn't matter if you make lemon tart or any tart, any pastry, you need to case something, needs to be a delicious sweet pastry. So this sweet pastry I'm making is very short, so when you eat it, it's very delicate. It just crumbles in your mouth and it's absolutely delicious. The ingredients you need, it's only plain flour, butter, almond meal, icing sugar and ice water. I don't use eggs, I don't use egg yolks because I like it to be crumbly and delicious. So it's actually really quite easy. You always use double the flour to the butter. And the sugar is more like how sweet you like it. All right? So the recipe itself will be attached. So now we take the flour, the almond meal, the icing sugar and the butter, and it has to be ice cold butter. So the butter is out of the fridge and cut into cubes, and then we just whiz it up. Now the important part on that is that you use a food processor or you use a kitchen machine. Try not to use your hands because the enemy of the pastry is warmth. You don't want the skin melting the butter. Then it gets rubbery and it's just not nice. So we whisk it really quickly. Until it turns into crumbles. As you can see, it's like fine crumbles. Crumbles with the almond meal and the butter and the sugar. So now we will add the ice water. We put the lid back on, put the thing, and we add the water. And that's it. So now we're going to put it under the bench, put a little bit of flour down, just make sure we clean it up properly, because sometimes down the bottom is a bit of butter stuck or a bit of liquid stuck. And now we're just mixing it together, which is really quick. As you can see, it's already all forming one dough. As you can see, the dough is coming together really quickly, really nicely. So now all we need to do is put them in the glad wrap and like this. And we need to let it rest in the fridge for at least 1 hour. You can make it and put it in the fridge overnight, use it the next day, or you can make it in advance. You can make a few of those, put them in the freezer. You pull them out the night before, and the next day you can roll them out. All right? As always, I hope this video helps you. You know, everyone can do with a good recipe of a sweet pastry. As always, please like, subscribe, follow us, share it with your friends. And I'll see you next time at Gunter's Kitchen. Bye for now.